Alright, this video is going to walk you through the process of turning in your Explain Everything project. So once you've completely finished your video, you're going to go to the upper right hand corner here and click on Share and Export. And from there you're going to click on Video. What I would recommend is just hitting Save Video. And then you're going to go through and it's going to actually create your video through Explain Everything and add in all of the gestures and the writing and the voiceover that you've done in your project. If this times out and just never completes, it's likely because you don't have any room on your camera roll. So go ahead and delete things from your camera roll and hopefully you'll have enough space to save your project. Alright, now my project is on the camera roll, so what I can do is I can go straight to Canvas. I'm going to find the assignment that I'll be turning this into. Go up to Submission, tap on Turn In. I'm going to choose a video from my camera roll. I hit Use, and then I bet my screen turned sideways here, but on the lower part of the screen it says Compressing Video. And you can see a little progress bar going through there. Once that's all done, that means your video is submitted.